How do I say thank you again? Shukriya.
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 Next time you're coming. Karan, selfie. I'll buy you a cup of coffee. Karan, selfie. Karan. One selfie, please.
क्या बोलूं सर? Sir, are you a fan of the Fast and the Furious series, and how excited are you about Deepika?
I'm a fan of Deepika.
You're a fan of Deepika.
Yeah, and I'm excited about Vin Diesel's film, and I'm expecting a action-packed, entertaining film.
Right, and are you a fan of the series as well?
I haven't seen much, but this is my beginning.
Yes.
शबाना जी, आज की शाम के लिए कितनी उत्साहित हैं आप, और इस सीरीज से आपका कितना नाता है, आप इसे देखते हैं?
देखिए, मैं सबसे पहले यहाँ आई हूँ अपनी सॉलिडारिटी अपनी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के साथ और ख़ास तौर से दीपिका के साथ दिखाने के लिए। ये हमारे लिए बहुत खुशकिस्मती की बात है कि आज मेन स्ट्रीम हॉलीवुड में हमारे लोग शामिल हो रहे हैं। ये एक ऐसा मौका है जिसके लिए आर्टिस्ट इंटरनेशनली उन्होंने बहुत संघर्ष किया है और ये कहा है कि कलर ब्लाइंड कास्टिंग होनी चाहिए। ऐसा क्यों है कि एशियन एक्टर्स को सिर्फ अगर वो एशियन है तभी काम मिलता है। अब जो है ऐसा लग रहा है कि धीरे धीरे ये बदल रहा है। प्रियंका की जो कामयाबी है, अब दीपिका की जो कामयाबी है, उससे ऐसा लगता है कि सही में इंटरनेशनल सिनेमा के दरवाजे हिंदुस्तानी सिनेमा के लिए खुल रहे हैं।
क्या विश देना चाहेंगे आज की शाम दीपिका को और आए हुए यहाँ स्टार्स?
I think Deepika is a fantastic actor and wish her all the very best always. She's a friend and I'm here to show support.
मैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ, उत्साहित हूँ, क्योंकि आई थिंक दीपिका पादुकोण बहुत कमाल की एक्ट्रेस है, हमारी लीडिंग स्टार है, एंड वी वेरी प्राउड ऑफ हर दैट शी इज़ डूइंग सच अ लवली फिल्म एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू सी हर इन द फिल्म।
कितने बड़े दीवाने हैं इस सीरीज के?
मैं दीपिका का दीवाना हूँ, ट्रिपल एक्स का कोई दीवाना नहीं हूँ। मैं दीपिका को विश करने आया हूँ। एक्शन फिल्में और मैं तो जाती ही नहीं, लेकिन दीपिका को लाइव साइज होर्डिंग्स में मैं देख के आया हूँ इन न्यूयॉर्क। बहुत प्राउड फीलिंग थी और प्रोमो बहुत एक्साइटिंग लग रहा है फिल्म का। एक्शन बहुत ही, मैं इंटरनेशनल लेवल का कहने वाला था, लेकिन इंटरनेशनल फिल्म ही है ये। तो दीपिका को देखकर बहुत खुशी हुई है और बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ एंड आई रियली गोइंग टू सी द फिल्म ऑन द वीकेंड।
साथ में ओके जानू भी आ रही है, दोनों फिल्में आ रही हैं, एक तरफ हिंदी एक तरफ इंग्लिश है।
तो बिल्कुल सब फ्राइडे ओके जानू देखें और शाम को ये जाके देख लें या वैसा वैसा जो भी हो। आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड।
क्या हुआ, दीपिका का भी गला खराब है?
हाँ, मेरा भी गला खराब है। चलो, दोनों का गला खराब है।
अब यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं प्रॉब्लम। आगे 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 और चलो और चलो और चलो आगे इधर आएंगे बस ये साइड खड़े बैठ जा
You know, we went to Mexico last week, and they were so excited about Mexico, and all of us were excited about Mexico, and I had an amazing time. I'd never been there before. The fans were amazing, but I had a little thought in my head, and I was like, I know we can do better than this, and so I feel so happy that, and all of you have been so amazing. The fans have been amazing. I think we surpassed, it's not that they didn't expect it, they did expect it, but I think we've surpassed even that. And just the way, I think everyone's put their best foot forward to welcome our guests. The warm welcome in India, in Mumbai when we landed, the girls, the dhols were being played and the girls gave us this traditional warm welcome. And I could see that they literally had a goosebump moment, and they've been on their phones the whole day because their families are calling them, and they're so excited that they saw them in Indian clothes. And so don't tell them I told you this, but yeah. I think they were in shock. Vin was like, what is this piece of fabric? I was like, I think we're not explained to him what it was. Maybe tonight at dinner or something I'll explain to him what it is. But he's been so sporting and he's so much fun. And so I hope now that everything I used to say about him, I think it kind of adds up. I used to say that he's really warm and an amazing person, and I'm sure all of you can see that now.
आपके वो आप होस्ट कर रही हैं विन को मुंबई में, किन किन जगहों पे और क्या-क्या चीजें उसको खिलाने के लिए आप तैयार हैं?
Well, unfortunately, it's not that type of trip this year. Yes, I'm hosting him, but I'm hosting him because he's come to our home. He is in India, and the same way all of us are hosting him. But this time it's not that type of visit where I can take him out. It's really, I think this time our focus is really our fans and the media, and just to share this experience with everyone because it's been such an incredible experience. I don't even think we have much time to do anything else other than just the premiere, and I think even tonight after this we just have a very small gathering and just a get together of I think the team, the very close team, just because a lot of them have worked on the film but never really met us. So just to sit down and have an intimate, quiet moment with everyone, and that's about it. And then I think tomorrow we have some interviews. Your voice is also gone. Oh. Yes, yes. Thank you. Yeah, absolutely. I think the fact that my birthday, we started the promotion on my... Look at this amazing person. My most favorite person. Thank you. Thank you, sir. नहीं, नहीं. I'll come up and sorry, what was this? Yeah, so I think it was the most amazing birthday gift because the whole promotion started on my birthday, and I thought of it as something very special, especially when it's not planned like that, but when it just happens like that. So I woke up in the morning, and I think I Instagrammed or I tweeted, I was like, it was my birthday, but it was also like the first day of the promotional tour. It just made my day even more special. And then all of them kept dropping surprises every now and then, cakes and flowers, and Vin sang for me. So yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Sumit, sorry, there's a lot of guests waiting for us.
Yes, he's unwell. Shah Rukh's unwell. I hope he gets well soon, and I hope I can see him tonight or tomorrow before I head back. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
आगे लोगों को लेकर जाना आगे 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 होते जाना वेट वेट clear.
How much are you excited for tonight?
I am so excited for tonight. It has been such a great feeling being here and bringing Xander Cage to India. As you all know, working with Deepika has been such a pleasure and such a joy, and I am so honored to be here in Mumbai to present the return of Xander Cage.
How was it dancing on Hindi dance, like an Indian song?
That's what we have to do. More dancing. More dancing.
Vin, can you click a picture with all of us from that side? Vin, sir.
Yeah, he picked it from me.
So I'm here in Mumbai. I'm here in India with all of our friends. And all of our friends over there. Namaste! This has been so intense. It's Xander Cage. We're just so blessed to be here. Thank you, India. Thank you for showing us so much love. One more time, guys, for the world. Shukriya.
Then just one, please.
Vin, I'm waiting since morning, please.
Just one.
Vin, sir, here. It's थोड़ा up and back, up and back, up and back. Thank you, man. Thank you so much. How excited are you about Triple X?
Very excited, of course. I've been looking forward to it, and the trailer looks really amazing, and Deepika looks hot. So it'll be great seeing her do all the action. I think it's much cooler when girls are doing action. So yeah.
How big a Vin Diesel fan are you?
Yeah, I'm obviously a fan. So and I think Vin Diesel and Deepika also kind of complement each other, and they look really good. So it's a hot pair.
हेलो अरे कैसे सर हैप्पी न्यू ईयर कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है थोड़ा चिल्लाइए थैंक यू यस ऑफ कोर्स hello firstly hello everybody very good evening to you all very happy new year to you all I hope you all have a happy and prosperous new year I am very excited for tonight big old premiere some special guests in town the premiere of Triple X starring Deepika who is a very special co-actor of mine and I'm looking forward to watching the movie.
Do you think you feel right for Deepika representing India at international level?
Yes, of course. She's an extremely gifted actor and an amazing movie star. Somebody who I admire, and I'm extremely proud of her.
Do you think this is the perfect birthday gift for her?
Yeah, I mean her birthday was a few days ago, but I'm glad they're having this premiere and that they're releasing in India a week before the global release. I think it's fantastic, and I'm a huge fan of the franchise. And I'm looking forward to seeing this installment. It's very exciting to see her in the Triple X franchise.
हॉलीवुड की तो आपकी और दीपिका की केमिस्ट्री बहुत अच्छी है
जी।
विन डीजल के साथ कैसी लगी आपको केमिस्ट्री
मेरी
दीपिका की और विन की
वेल प्रोमोज में तो अच्छी लग रही है केमिस्ट्री अब देखेंगे पिक्चर देख के बताएंगे आपको
Ranveer, any plans for you to go Hollywood?
See, I'm always exploring and wanting and willing and very excited to explore new avenues, new opportunities, try out new things. So yeah, hopefully with the right opportunity, I will do work with people from all over the world. It would be a very enriching experience for me.
Any actress? One last question. Any actress you would like to work with in Hollywood?
Deepika Padukone, Priyanka Chopra.
Okay.
हाँ जी जी थैंक यू
हेलो हाय गुड इवनिंग हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू यू टू आपकी आवाज़ बैठी हुई है
शायद दीपिका every movie, Hollywood movie, 2 points for her, best wishes for her.
Yeah, wishing Deepika all the best for Triple X. It's a huge opportunity for her. She's doing better and better and better with every film. So I'm very happy for her, and I'm excited to be here with the team. The first Triple X that came out, I think about 14 years ago, was one of my favorite action films. So I'm sure it's going to be fantastic.
Three of your Padmavati cast is here. Ranveer is here, Deepika is here, and you are also here. What's the real combo here?
Yeah, those are the 3 X's. Now you figured it out. Sure. I don't think there was any ice to break. Me and Deepika have known each other for a few years. There were a lot of films that were offered to both of us, and for some reason or the other, either she said no or I said no, and somehow a film never happened. But today I can very confidently say that I'm happy that they didn't happen, because I think the kind of platform that Padmavati is for us to come together is fantastic, and the kind of filmmaker Mr. Bhansali is to be playing husband and wife, and to have romance, and to have emotional scenes, and to have a lot of drama, and to be playing king and queen. I'm really happy that finally we're working on a film like Padmavati together. Thank you so much. No, thank you. It's always a pleasure. Always a pleasure. Thank you guys.